There is no need to introduce COVID-19 to anybody. Each and every person has been affected by it, directly or indirectly. We all are aware of its dangers, but it has shown different shades in our lives. When the initial stage of corona break out, we all have been in lockdown. This lockdown has teaches us many lessons. When the lockdown started, we firstly enjoyed it very much. We all took it as a family holiday at home, neither going outside nor eating the food of the outside. But this enjoyment was only for the privileged classes of a society, those who had all the sources in the lockdown. During this lockdown, many of the people do not have food to eat due to the loss of the work. We did all the tasks given by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, whether it is thali bajana or giving applause to our corona warriors. When Unlock 1 started, we all started going out with precautions by wearing proper masks, sanitizing our hands and with proper social distancing. When I heard about the reopening of the schools, I got very excited. I started preparing for my school 2 days before the coming of the school. Now I am very happy that the schools are opened. Thank you.
In the beginning, it was okay to stay at home, but as soon as it kept on extending, I started missing my school, my friends, my teachers, and my day-to-day activities. I also enjoy a lot at home. I learned many new things from my home, even from online classes. And now, when I get to know that my schools are reopening, I'm really excited and nervous too. But I'm also very happy that my first day of school was very nice and my lockdown experience was very great. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू सेशन. और ये रिवर्स सेशन है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. हमने तो एज पर रूल्स ली हैं थ्रू गाइडलाइंस फ्रॉम अप्रैल टू टिल फरवरी. और हम सुपर एक्साइटेड हैं कि अब बच्चे वापस आए हैं. तो सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रेस है कि ऑनलाइन तो हमने पढ़ाया है, लेकिन अब एक्साइटमेंट ये भी है कि बच्चे वापस आ रहे हैं, और स्ट्रेस ये है कि बच्चों को ऑनलाइन और अब हमें ऑफलाइन पढ़ाना है. तो जो इन्होंने पढ़ा है उसको प्रॉपरली गाइडलाइंस और जो गवर्नमेंट की नोटिफिकेशन है कि बोर्ड एग्जाम्स इनके नजदीक आ चुके हैं, तो प्रॉपर गाइडलाइन से फिर से हम पढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. और जैसे स्कूल ने शुरू किया तो हम पूरी तरह से फॉलो करेंगे और स्टूडेंट्स को भी गाइड कर रहे हैं कि कितना स्टे इन डिस्टेंस रहना है.
How I spent my first day at school after lockdown. So it was just amazing because I met with my friend after so long time, and all the students entered the school with proper sanitization, proper wear mask and proper social distancing. But I missed the lockdown because it was the best way to spend time with my parents, my family, friends, etc. And I learned many of the things at home, for example, cooking food, dancing, singing, etc. But there was some disadvantages of COVID-19. For example, many of the people loses their lives, careers and economy of the country. Vaccine has still arrived, but we still have to remember that social distancing, proper wear mask and proper social distancing is very important.
हम आज यहाँ पे जो है दोबारा से स्कूल में आए हैं, तो हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है स्कूल में आके कि अगेन जो हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं हमारे सामने हैं. हमने ऑनलाइन तो स्टूडेंट्स की क्लासेस ली, लेकिन जो अब ऑफलाइन जो हम पढ़ा रहे हैं बच्चों को, ये काफी अच्छे से हमें लग रहा है कि हम जो हैं बच्चों को फ्रंट में देख पाएंगे, बेंचेस पे बैठे हुए बच्चे, और रोज स्कूल में आ रहे हैं. तो आज मॉर्निंग में जब हमने बच्चों को देखा तो हमने उनका प्रॉपर सैनिटाइजेशन भी करवाया, और जो एज पर गवर्नमेंट के रूल के अकॉर्डिंग हमने जो है रूल फॉलो किया और उनको सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग में भी हमने रखा. तो आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि दोबारा से स्कूल जो है ओपन हुए हैं और हमारे स्टूडेंट जो है हमारे सामने दोबारा.
This lockdown is my such of experience which I had spent in my home. When I heard about the lockdown, I was very happy that I wouldn't have to go to school. I missed my schools and friends. I wanted to go out and hanging out with my friends, but it was not possible for me. After 8 and 9 months, when I heard that the schools were opening, I am very excited and happy to meet my friends after 8 and 9 months. In this situation, it was very tough for us to study. This lockdown has affected in our study, but online classes were convenient for me. So we have to now focus on our studies and follow the government rules advice.
I'm studying at Sultanpur from last 3 years. But the last year, when I was about to get enrolled in the new session, the pandemic broke out and everything had a full stop. In the beginning of the lockdown, I was excited and happy as I did not have to follow daily routine as I did before. And I get a huge amount of time to spend with my grandparents and to work with my drawing skills. But I was not satisfied at all. I began to feel the absence of my school friends and teachers, and later I began to miss the old school days. And suddenly I heard about the school reopening schedule, and I was really excited about that because I was going to meet my friends after a year. But I was also a little nervous that what would be the new school precautions in the pandemic, as the school system has to be changed. But on the first day of the school, I observed that the staff has put many procedures in the old school system to keep us as safe as possible. And I was very happy to go to the school after a 10-month lockdown. And that's all I want to share about my school experience after lockdown.
आज मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हुई है कि सारे बच्चे जो हैं वो स्कूल में प्रेजेंट हो गए हैं और मैं आईटी टीच करती हूँ बच्चों को, और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि सारे बच्चे आज प्रैक्टिकल कर रहे हैं मेरी लैब में और बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी कर रहे हैं.
I am very happy and excited in my school. I was very excited when I heard the news of school reopening. We all friends met after a very long time in our school, and now we are focusing on our studies to get highest marks in exams.
COVID-19, with its sudden breakout, has changed our routines and lifestyles. Each one of us and the entire world is affected by pandemic. We understand the challenges faced by students, parents and teachers during lockdown. Now, from the 1st February, state government has issued SOP for the reopening of schools. We are following all the guidelines and safety measures according to SOP, and we are hoping better time ahead. Thank you.